Good evening, everyone. Today, I have shared in an interesting topic. This is the very helpful for us. Suppose you have to collect in a point features and you have to convert in a point features to polygon features. So, how to convert in the point features to polygon features? Okay, so you do not have to direct in point features to polygon features in QGIS software. So first of all you have to convert in a point features to line features, and then you have to convert in line features to polygon features. So let's start. And first of all, you have to open in a QGIS software and you have to open in your data. Okay, so I have randomly create in point features. Here is the my point features. Okay, so first of all you have to convert in a point features to line features. How to convert in point features to line features? So first of all, go to the processing toolbox and you have to search in a point to path. This is the tool point to path. You have to click in the point to path, and here is the tab in point to path, and you have to put it in input layer in the point features layer. Okay, I have already selected in input layer point features, and here is the true option order expression and path group expression. This is the optional, you do not have to put anything. Okay, and you have to direct click in the run button, and here is the process to output in a line features as a path layer. Okay, and then you have to another process follow. This is the process in line path to polygon. Okay, and another you have to go in a processing toolbox and search in a line to polygon. Okay, this is the tool line to polygon. You have to click in a line to polygon, and then you have to select in a line features in input layer. Okay, and I have selected in a line features as a path layer. Okay, then you have to click in a run button, and here is the output. You have to suppose you have to need in a polygon features, as per your collect in a point features. So here is the process to convert in a point features to polygon features. Okay, I think this video is very helpful for us to convert in a point features to polygon features. Okay, so thank you so much.